Hi everyone, my name is Irwan. Today I will be giving you a brief intro on the Diploma in Mechatronics from Temasek Polytechnic. Now, what is mechatronics? Well, mechatronics is the multidisciplinary field that combines mechanical engineering, electronics, intelligent computer control, and computing engineering in the design and manufacturing of industrial products and engineering processes. TP Diploma in Mechatronics will equip you with emerging trends and skills that are in high demand and align with Singapore's skills framework and industry transformation maps. So where can you find mechatronics? Mechatronics is actually everywhere. The following slide shows snapshots of mechatronic systems across various Singapore industries. This photo shows a Dyson factory in Singapore. Dyson is an innovative company famous for its vacuum cleaners and bladeless fans. In fact, many companies now have a similar setup to the image as shown by Dyson over here, in which sophisticated automation machines are used to improve productivity. In its quest to be sustainable, Singapore also grows vegetables in high-tech farms with complex mechatronic systems to ensure a well-controlled environment suitable for farming. This image shows a vertical farm by Panasonic in Singapore. In logistics, we have many automated guided vehicles used to move as well as to transport packaging boxes and even huge shipping containers without the need to have any human drivers. These are possible due to the progress made in mechatronic systems. Also, we have robots, especially collaborative robots, increasingly being used in healthcare, such as to dispense medication in the hospitals as shown over here. So these are mechatronics in various industries. We can also see mechatronics closer to your home. We have more and more vending cafes or vending machines connected to the cloud that is able to provide information to the vendors, such as what are the popular items, when to top up the stocks or the supplies, and when to schedule maintenance. If you go into the public library or even the library in TP, you see robots moving around to ensure books are in the correct location. Robots are also deployed for a brief period to monitor crowd level in parks, where they are able to make use of their sophisticated vision system to monitor crowd, especially during the early phase of the COVID-19 pandemic. Driverless electric cars, driverless buses are currently under extensive testing in many parts in Singapore. They will be the norm very, very soon. To summarize, mechatronics systems are present in many industries and very close to your home. Hence, an engineer skilled in mechatronics can easily find meaningful jobs in any of the different areas that they are passionate in. With this, let's take a look at the subjects that you will learn. You are in the Diploma in Mechatronics. Your year one will consist of common, fundamental, and engineering subjects that are similarly taken by other engineering diplomas in Temasek Poly. The fun parts begin when you step into your year two. You get to deepen your knowledge in mechatronics with subjects such as static and strength of materials, engineering drawing, intro to smart automation, machining technology, principles of dynamics, integrated project, as well as robotics and automation. In your year three, you get to choose to specialize in areas that you are passionate in. These can be electives in 3D printing, advanced manufacturing, semiconductor technology, intralogistics, and cybersecurity. If you are selected, you can also take part in the Advanced Engineering Skills Program, where students can take part in national and international competition. If you meet the requirements, you can also participate in our University Pathway Program. Year 3 students in the University Pathway Program get to do some Year 1 subjects from universities such as SUTD. How does the learning take place? Well, I'm happy to tell you that the learning is very skill-based as shown in all those photos shown over here. Here you can see students in our robotics and automation labs very busy doing component work or troubleshooting. We also have students, for example, over here, designing and then assembling 3D printers in our 3D printer teaching line. For students who love complex 3D modeling and complex additive manufacturing or 3D printing, they can visit our digital fabrication and additive manufacturing center. Our workshop are equipped with very high-end precision engineering machines. Here is an image of our students being exposed to one of such machine in our machining and manufacturing labs. In the year 3 or the final year, Diploma in Mechatronics students get to work in many exciting student internship as well as major projects. They get to work with our reputable industry partners, such as the one listed over here. Okay, if you observe, our partners come from many different industries. You have Rolls-Royce, GE Aviation from aerospace. You have Micron, SSMC from the semiconductor industry. You even have research institutes such as DSTA as well as A-Star. Our diploma is well recognized in the Skills Future framework. You can go into many sectors such as energy and power, aerospace, electronics, food manufacturing, precision engineering, biopharmaceutical manufacturing, public transport. The list will continue to grow as more and more industry adopts mechatronics. So we have seen earlier, mechatronics gives students the widest career choice in engineering. Now, with this, you can go into many different industry based on your passion. What happens when you go into an industry? Even within the industry, you can select multiple types of job roles. If you are technically inclined, you can be a technologist. You can even be a robot coordinator. If you love sales, you can be your own technical sales engineer. Or if you love research, you can be an R&D specialist. I've presented to you what is mechatronics, what are the subjects, what are the possible industry and career options. Next, I'm going to share with you actual highlights of our student experiences, particularly in their internship and in their major project. First, I'm going to start with Surya. So Surya did his internship with the Home Team Science and Technology Agency. His work involved dealing with a lot of high-tech stuff, dealing with technology, to empower colleagues in the home team as well as the Singapore Police Force in his work. Over here, you can see Surya alongside his prototype legged robots that was developed as part of his student internship program. Next, we have 3 students, Andy, Dihang, and Ronald. They are heavily involved in the programming as well as in using robots for manufacturing. The video here shows some of the actions done by their robot in a manufacturing flow. The 3 students feedback that they had gained tremendous insights on the automation industry as part of their internship. Recently, 2 of our students, Eldrick and Guishan, together with team members from the TP Advanced Manufacturing Center, won the first prize in the Industry Innovation Challenge 2021. Their winning project is called the Smart Management System for Aquaculture. The project focuses on improving productivity in aquaculture or fish farming through digitalization. The student had worked on this project as part of their internship. So we have seen the police force, work in the police force. We have seen robotics. We have seen fish farm. Next, we move into the so-called the biopharmaceutical industry. Here we have Joash Lim with his internship at Osteoport International. This company deals with the production of 3D printed bioresorbable polymer implants that are used in conjunction with surgical procedures. A lot of trash end up in Singapore reservoirs, leading to contamination. As part of their major project, our students came up with a prototype multi-quarter trash collector to solve this problem. In the process, they won the combination prize in the 2021 Sembcorp Marine Greenway Environmental Competition. So this is their prototype in action. I'm sure you also heard of Pokemon Go, an augmented reality mobile game that took the world by storm when it was launched in the world. Okay, here in Temasek Poly, Mechatronics students have successfully used augmented reality for advanced manufacturing operations. Let's take a look at their major project. Next, I want to highlight the achievements of 3 students. First is the success story of Surya, graduate class of 2021. He graduated as a silver medalist and was awarded the prestigious Public Service Commission Scholarship to pursue an engineering degree at SUTD. His time at TP was certainly rich and meaningful in experience. He was active in CCA, he volunteered and served the community, and he took up multiple leadership positions with various student clubs. Another success story is that of Teo Zijie, who achieved the Lee Kuan Yew Award for 2021. This award is given to the top technology or computer science graduate in each of the polytechnic. The diploma is very proud of Zijie for his outstanding achievements. Last but not least, we have Zechen. Zechen is the winner of the Skills Mastery Award for the year 2021. He's very well known in TP, not just in mechatronics, in TP, for his achievements in the Shell EcoCar competition. He has participated in numerous international competitions and won numerous awards. This is Zechen posing at the Singapore Science Centre in front of one of the latest prototype, and this is him with his teammates in one of the prototype that was used to take part in the Shell EcoCar competition. I hope you have enjoyed what I shared with you on mechatronics and about our student experiences. I would like to end with a very short video on TP Mechatronics with a video that was actually prepared specially by our students. Sit back and enjoy.
because it encourages critical thinking and I can automate things.
I like the course because it's very interesting.
I think Mechatronics is a very diverse course. Basically because we don't get to only learn specifically one thing, but
I chose Mechatronics because I thought there would be a high demand of robotics in the future.
It's a rather cool course to join.
I learned to build robots in the future.
Same.